Hello and welcome to this yoga video specifically designed to help improve your digestion and gut health. Poor digestion and gut health can lead to a range of unpleasant symptoms such as bloating, constipation, and discomfort. But, with the right yoga practices, you can alleviate these symptoms and keep your digestive system functioning at its best. 1. Cat-cow stretch. Get down on your hands and knees and alternate between arching your back and rounding it, massaging your abdominal organs in the process. 2. Seated twist. Sit on the floor with your legs outstretched, and twist your torso from side to side, helping to wring out the digestive organs. 3. Downward facing dog. This classic yoga pose helps to stimulate blood flow to the digestive tract and alleviate constipation. 4. Child's pose. This calming pose is great for soothing the digestive system, promoting a sense of relaxation, and reducing stress. Remember to listen to your body, breathe deeply, and be gentle with yourself. Regularly practicing these yoga poses can help to keep your digestive system healthy, reducing symptoms of digestive discomfort. We hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like and subscribe for more yoga content.